He suggests Mr. Salt give Veruca a good kick in the pants. He encourages Charlie to fritter away what little money they have on a chocolate bar. He encourages Charlie to fritter away what little money they have on a chocolate bar. He insults the other prize winners and teaches Charlie to be a judgmental bully. He makes Charlie sign a contract before either of them can read it. He yells at Wonka when Charlie doesn't get the prize, even though he's in breach of contract. He tries to push past the children so he and Charlie can board the Wonkatania first. He seems unaffected by what he can only assume are the deaths of several children. He smokes a pipe of tobacco every day, even though his family is stuck eating cabbage water.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.